what we're seeing is these two men being sent to prison simply for doing their jobs. And this is sending a signal to the rest of the Myanmar reporters that if you cross the military, if you cross the government, they can make your life a living hell. And we saw in this court very little presented in terms of real evidence to indicate that there was a violation. It looked like a setup to us from the get-go. And the truly ironic and horrible thing about this is that these two reporters are now slated to spend longer time in prison than the soldiers who killed the 10 Rohingya that was the subject of their story in the first place. The problem now is what is going to happen to the rest of the media coverage. Will people increasingly shy away from any sort of critical reporting of the Burmese government or the Myanmar military? I mean, these are the critical issues now that now face the wider public in Myanmar. Will they actually be able to find the truth about what their military and government are doing in their name? And I think that, going forward, there has to be a renewed campaign for media freedom and trying to explain to Aung San Suu Kyi and the Myanmar government that critical commentary, investigative journalism are part of the framework of a real democracy. And, if they're interested in having a democracy, if they're interested in having respect for human rights, they have to also respect press freedom.